Check if variable is dataframe. When my function f is called with a variable, I want to check if var is a pandas dataframe. I guess the solution might be quite simple, but even with, I can't get it to work like expected.
Use this instance, nothing else. PEP 8 says explicitly that this instance is the preferred way to check types. And don't even think about. Is instance handles inheritance. See what are the differences between type and is instance. For example, it will tell you if a variable is a string, either str or Unicode, because they derive from base string. Specifically for pandas dataframe objects.
Use the built-in isInstance function.
Or you can use the simplest solution, type X. If it is data frame, it will output pandas.core.frame.dataframe.